Welcome to Edem Body Shop, where we turn car troubles into exceptional repair experiences. Located in the heart of downtown Fort Worth, we've been your local collision auto repair experts for more than 10 years. Our skilled team, equipped with the latest tools and technology, is dedicated to providing top-quality collision repair, dent removal, and much more. From minor dings to major body and structural customizations, our services cover every aspect of collision auto repair. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to customer satisfaction. Our friendly and bilingual staff are always here to assist you, ensuring a smooth and transparent process. Our team is not just skilled, they're passionate about cars. Each vehicle receives meticulous attention as if it were our own. Certified and trusted. We pride ourselves on the quality of our work and the trust we've built in the community. Our goal is simple: to get you back on the road safely and swiftly with a car that looks and feels like new. Plus, with services like free online estimates and bilingual support, we make collision auto care convenient for everyone. So, whether it's a fender vendor or extensive repairs, make Edem Body Shop your first choice. Visit us today and experience collision auto repair excellence.